Did you know that Latin America is one of the areas with the greatest biodiversity in the world? Sadly, it's also home to 46% of the mining and environmental conflicts globally, and is one of the regions most vulnerable to climate change. The good news is that the price of technology that can be used to tackle these problems is coming down. Here are 5 low-cost solutions that are helping communities adapt to climate change, improve waste management, monitor mining, logging, and illegal hunting, as well as control invasive species. Audioma is a device used to monitor protected areas around the world. It captures audio and then uses algorithms to match the intensity, frequency, and duration of sounds with animal noises in order to determine which species are present in certain areas. The price of bioacoustic monitors usually ranges between $200 to $700. However, Audioma has found a way to lower the cost by finding distributors around the world willing to sell pieces in bulk at lower prices, to around $46. This could help researchers protect more than 500 animal species that are on the verge of extinction. LAC is a cell phone application that uses geographical data to help people when natural disasters occur. It identifies areas that might flood, evacuation routes, meeting points, and can even find people who have uploaded their location. In 2015, a flood in the Chilean city of Chañaral flooded over 200 homes, and because evacuation signs were hard to see, took more than 80 lives. Jaime Rodrigo was moved to create LAC, the first system that operates 100% free of licenses, so that other communities can use it and adapt it to their needs at no cost whatsoever. Recivesi is a cell phone application created by a group of volunteers, designed for people to deliver waste directly to local waste pickers in the capital of Ecuador, Quito, in the absence of formal waste collection services. The application shows who the nearest recycler is on a map, how to contact them, and how to deliver the waste. Recyclers sort the material and sell it to a third party, generating income to support their families. Citizens receive points for recycling, which they can then exchange for food and services. The application is free and is open source. Bruno Sanchez Andrade is using drones to capture constant photographic imagery of forests at a certain height, enabling him to monitor the paths of poachers and invasive species. By comparing color changes in hundreds of photographs taken at different times in one location, Andrade can use them to project a 3D terrain model. The cost of drones have gone down in recent years. The ones used in the project cost $1,300, but today you can acquire drones with high-definition cameras at $500, making them more accessible. Researchers use drones to make a high-resolution map of the Impenetrable National Park in Argentina, an area blighted by poaching. Through the images, they were able to find the yellow gallomba, a plant that is actually native to Europe and consumes high quantities of water and competes against other species. The mapping was useful for locating the other invasive species. Even though satellites have been used to monitor deforestation for decades, researchers now use them to spot important initial phases in the process. By analyzing an image in real time, researchers look for human settlements in high-risk, hard-to-access areas, often a sign that logging will begin there. Carlos Manzabanda joined forces with Digital Globe, Planet, and Amazon Conservation Team and showed the impacts of the Mirador project, a copper mine owned by Chinese company Ecuacorriente S.A. They found that 9,928 hectares have been deforested. The images went viral in Ecuador, and public pressure resulted in a mining ban in some parts of the Ecuadorian Amazon. However, the development of the Mirador project continues.